I think it's safe to say for 2023, I'm trying to get more comfortable doing video and putting myself out there a little more on my social. So this morning I am rearranging my travel cases for my beadwork because it's just not kind of panning out with how big the pieces are getting. I'm still working on pieces for the weaving I just took off the loom, which is called Is There a Thing, to which brings us less joy, yet we devote more time, which is about social media. And so I've got one beaded edge going in this box and one that's more of a travel. This one's been sitting on the couch, by the couch, and this one's been in and out of my purse. This one I need to move out of here because it's just it's falling apart. It's getting way too big for this portion of the case. I'm not really going to deal with that this morning. I have bigger cases that I'll just kind of shift this over to in the house, since I'm not moving around with this. My bead case setup usually is the piece, the beads. I'll throw little bobbins of thread under here, or notes, or the pattern, and needles. So that is going to be put off to the side. Oh, and usually, I don't know where my spoon is, a spoon and scissors. So those scissors go in there. But I'm going to put that off to the side because, like I said, it's kind of overflowing in there. This is my flight-friendly box, which I really like. It's a leftover Pottery Barn registry box from eons ago. It probably doesn't exist anymore, that I keep on taping back together. So this piece isn't that long yet, but it's still not really working out for me being in two entities. So I'm going to try, what I want to do is compile it into a smaller case to work out of and just one baggie. So putting that off to the side. This is the bag it's been living in. The rest of the beads and thread and stuff. So I'm actually not a fan of this zippy pouch either because it's got sequins on it, so I'm going to go grab a different one. The sequins catch on thread, and I'm using a really tiny thread for this netted edge. So what I'm going to do is, this is like a Altoid tin size box, and I've already cut foam and put it in there. And the needle is attached already. I don't really need anything else in the box right now. I might put the thread, layer it in there so it's not as wily in the baggie. When I bead out of this, I'll pour some of the black beads into there and the gray ones, and then they can all be secured in there when I need to just close it and go. So that is going in there. This guy, pair of scissors, my thread. I use more gray than I realized, so I'm going to throw the gray beads in there, and then the black ones I'm actually going to. So this is a lot more manageable for me to just throw in my bag and then be able to pull it out to work really easily. So that's that. I've rearranged the travel case setup for working on the beaded edge for my current weaving I just pulled off the loom. Work, which is attached to the case that I bead out of, beads, thread, more beads, and scissors.